everyone. My name is Changyan Chen. In this talk, I'm going to discuss our Vizwiz VQA grounding challenge. Here's what I will be talking about today. I will first define the task for the challenge. Then I will describe the challenge and announce the winners. Finally, I will provide some analysis of the results and the patterns that we observed. The answer grounding task is to teach computers to automatically find the visual evidence in an image that indicates the language answer. We hosted the Vizwiz VQA grounding dataset challenge on Eval AI, and it is the first answer grounding dataset originating from authentic use cases, where visual questions are asked by visually impaired people. Here is how we split the dataset. The Vizwiz VQA grounding dataset contains around 6,500 visual questions for the training set, 1,100 visual questions for the validation set, and around 2,400 visual questions for the test set. The evaluation matrix for the Vizwiz VQA grounding dataset is intersection of union, which measures the similarity of each binary segmentation mask to the ground truth segmentation. We will now announce the winners of the challenge this year. The second place is HSS Lab INSPIR. Here are the team members. They are from HSS Lab INSPIR. And the winner is Aurora. Here are the team members. They are from ByteDance and Tianjin University. Congratulations to both teams. We will now look into some analysis of the results. The winning team achieved around 43 improvement compared to the baseline. Overall, all 16 teams performed worst on questions with small regions. And all teams performed best on visual questions requiring color recognition skills, and performed worst on visual questions requiring text recognition and counting skills. Here we show an example where all 16 teams grounded correctly. We found that it's easy for the models to locate the correct region if the object has a simple boundary and a large image coverage size, while the background is relatively simple. Here is an example where only the top 3 teams grounded correctly. And here is a visual question where the top 3 teams grounded incorrectly. They fail when identifying one object among similar objects. Here's the example where all teams grounded incorrectly. We found that all teams fail when grounding for a small text region. And the top team's expertise on different vision skills. The first place, Aurora, has the best model for visual questions requiring text recognition skill. And Aurora team also has the best model for visual questions requiring object recognition skill. The second place, HSS Lab INSPIR, has the best model for visual questions requiring color recognition skill. And the third place, MongoTV, has the best model for visual questions requiring counting skills. That brings us to the end of our discussion.